Is Reels going to be the future of communication, or will there be a scope of long form of content in the coming years? Well, in this video, I'm going to exactly answer the same. Time to reveal the digital marketing trends for 2022. Wow, is it December already? Like every year, here are some of my predictions as per my experience of working in the industry for more than 16 years. I usually carefully analyze channels and release these trends year on year. So let's check it out. Number 1, era of Reels. 2022 is the era of creative, innovative and entertaining Reels. It will be the most produced video format for the year 2022. Brands ignoring them will lose big time, and with Reels ads coming into the picture, this format is going to blow up for both organic traffic and paid traffic. Number 2, shorter format of advertisements. Attention span in 2022 is only going to become shorter, which means the more you innovate in shorter videos to convey what you really want to convey and sell, the better it is. Start creating ads between 5 to 30 seconds. 5 seconds? How? Here is what I did for my brand. Want to learn digital marketing from the best? Join Digital Scholar now. Experience 18+ advanced modules and practical training to make you ready from day one. Well, that was just an example. Number 3, longer format of content. TikTok moved from 1-minute videos to 3 minutes. Reels went from 30 seconds to 60 seconds. Clubhouse brought in long format audio. Podcasts are on rise. Twitter introduces spaces. Even YouTube brings podcasts. Make the most of it. Use short formats to give the user a peek at your brand and invite people to your long format content. Once they get hooked, they want to learn everything from you. Remember, you might not get a lot of views on your long form content, but people who watch and see your long form content will be the ones who will purchase from you. And the end goal is always to monetize through your content. Number 4, LinkedIn will become a video platform in 2022. LinkedIn has already launched Creator Mode in 2021, and as a part of Creator Mode, it will soon launch a short video format. Now imagine a place with a lot of business reels, business kind of content. Interesting, right? Now let's hope people don't end up entertaining there as well. Number 5, Twitter Spaces will kill Clubhouse. After all the initial noise about the Clubhouse, the platform lost its charm the moment Twitter Spaces was introduced. Soon, LinkedIn will also introduce their version of audio-based live, which will be filled with business opportunities and conversations. Voice-based content is hassle-free because you can just sleep on the bed and speak from wherever you are. You think YouTube will bring such a feature too? Share your thoughts in the comment section of this video. Number 6, zero-click searches will be dominating in 2022. Zero-click search is when you search on Google and you see the results right there with images, and an excerpt to your search will be visible to you. So make your site zero search friendly. Number 7, influencer marketing is only going to become bigger in 2022. Imagine instead of sitting down and spending a lot of money in creating videos, you can collaborate with influencers, you can give them creative freedom, and you can allow them to make videos which you can later use in your advertisements. So this is one of the best ways for you to just not create user-generated content, just not use someone's influence, but also use those videos created by the influencers in your advertisements. This year, influencer marketing will also be scrutinized on a performance basis. Number 8, it's all about reviews. 2022 would be the year of reviews. The more and more you get your brand reviews done on platforms like Google My Business, Quora, Trustpilot, and relevant forums, the better your audience's decision making will be. So make that an important part of your strategy and have review goals set. More the channels, the better it is. Meanwhile, don't forget to drop a comment below if you like this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now let's look at number 9. Virtual assistants would take over in 2022. Investment in chatbots and automation tools can help businesses save a lot of time and money. Chatbots can answer consumer questions without company interventions, and we all know that. And that is a great thing for a great user experience. I have been making a lot of noise about InstaChamp tool by Mobile Monkey, which has actually helped me big time in automating my Instagram. You can check the details and a free course about the same in the comment section of this video. Number 10, the rise of Metaverse. Metaverse will build in hybrid experiences. With pandemic fear in mind, companies will invest heavily this year in augmented reality and virtual reality to create an immersive customer experience. Who knows, my next year's trend video could be in the metaverse. Imagine me flying, rowing, and doing whatnot in a completely different universe. Number 11, search will be more semantic this year. Semantic search methods will allow search engines to determine the content as the most relevant to the query and get the site up in the ranking. Also expect conversational search to increase, suiting the needs of voice devices. So voice search is going to only boom and boom. Number 12, online events. Over the last couple of years, people have realized the efficiency, ease, and the many advantages of online events. Less investment of money, time and effort is a great selling point for big events, and 2022 is going to see brands continue and get creative with online events and webinars. Let's expect a seamless experience with Metaverse in place. Number 13, hyper-personalization. With Instagram automation, where one comment can trigger a personal DM to your followers, the possibility to personalize your communication is endless. The more you talk to your consumers and show things to them as per their wants and desires, the better your sales gonna be. So start segmenting your customer at a deeper level and use tools like WhatsApp for Business to enhance customer engagement. And the last point, number 14, Bharath Market will overtake the Indian market. Yes, the growth of apps like ShareChat, Koo, MX Takatak has been crazy. Rural India and the Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities are picking up the digital lifestyle rapidly, and this year saw a glimpse of its massive potential, which means 2022 will be the year where the Bharath market shows its true power. So I hope you're now a little prepared for the new year and the changes it might bring. I am hyper excited about 2022, wishing you a very happy new year. May you and your business grow leaps and bounds. Dil se, Saurabh Jain.